What's up, guys? I got a video today, sponsored video. Super Clean automotive cleaning chemicals. Super Clean was nice enough to reach out to me and ask me to demo some products for them. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to showcase 3 different products. We have the original spray, we have the new aerosol can spray of this version, and then we also have some wheel cleaner. I'm going to do it all on a mower I fixed up, and I'm getting ready to clean up, flip, and sell. Well, cleaned up the engine block pretty well. Cleaned up the side of the tank. Had a bunch of oil in this valve cover. It's nice and clean now. This side had a bunch of oil on it too. Some paint's flaking off the block, but look at this. Clean. This is all oil back here. That's just some paint. Nice. Just like that, the engine is completely degreased. Look how good this thing cleaned up. I'm not even done yet. So much better. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna give this a little more rub-a-dub action with this stuff while I'm cleaning up the rest of this deck. I'm gonna use some of this wheel cleaner on these wheels. See how it does. Add a little extra elbow grease with a rag here. Let's clean it up well here. Got all this up on this corner. Well, that looks pretty good to me. That cleaned up really nice. Completely brought this deck back around. Super sharp looking mower. And this was totally free. Flipped, sharpened blade, rebuilt the carburetor, adjusted the belt, spark plug, oil change. This thing's ready to go. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you to Super Clean for sponsoring this video and sending me some products to demonstrate for you guys. Very, very happy with how that mower cleaned up. I'm gonna get this thing dried off, listed on Marketplace, sold, and we'll move on to the next project. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you again to Super Clean. We'll see you in the next one.